just came to campground. Well, actually it's a state park, but you can see us lying probably 5 minutes. It's even behind me. So it's just checking in to enter the park, then check into campground. So I'm here. Hello.
Hi, do you have the park pass?
Oh yes, I do.
Alright, let me just double
Sure.
check real fast. You're all set. Have a good one.
Thank you. It's a local lake, and it's actually I'm going to camp on a shore of Lake Erie. Campground that way. I've never been here before, it's my first time, so I don't know what to expect, but definitely I will try fish. I will try some nice dinner, bike around, drone view, and other activities what could be. So I'll see you at campground. First stop, dump station. It's a nice 3-lane, nobody here. It's Sunday, 2 o'clock, and already everybody left. Well, lucky me. Looks like a very big campsite. I mean campground. In the lake area, all right there. So I just arrived to my campsite. It's a decent size. It's about 30 feet to my neighbor. Behind me just some bushes, some kind of privacy. I'm blocked with my trailer from other neighbors, so I'm good to go. So a little bit story. When I was driving here, I heard pop up, like blow up something. And I look on my monitor, my tire pressure system monitor, and it says all 4 tires my trailer are good. Keep pressure about 70, 71, different plus minus 1 psi. So I thought, well, maybe it's some passing car or truck just blew up tire. But actually no. I had some blow up tire, but not on my trailer and my kayak carrier. Can you see it? So damage done. Well, I guess I have to bring my kayak real close to water and not to use a carrier this time. Not a big deal. It's about, I think, $10 or $12. You can buy assembly tire at Farber Freight Tools. So not a lot of damage done. So guys, as I said before, this is my first time here. I check around and look how close I can launch my kayak close to the lake, at least a couple 100 yards. So it's no way I'm gonna carry kayak on me. And you know, my tires blow up. So I will try to do temporary fix. I have couple bags, ziplocs. I'm gonna blow them. I'm gonna stick and tile. Oh, they inflated. Okay. Let's stick it first, then inflate. Okay. Another one. Redneck fixing. It's too bad I don't have duct tape with me. Okay. Let's see. It's hold my weight. Awesome. Can't believe it, I fixed it. Will it work? Anyway, better than nothing. I fix it. We'll try tomorrow morning. Morning, guys. It looks like sunny morning, and I'm going to fishing. And my barometer say, my fishing barometer says, what he say? He's saying excellent. So we'll see how it's gonna be excellent, because kinda windy already. You can see by the tree, and kinda overcast. I don't know. Let's check it. Let's go fishing. I woke up this morning and the fish flies everywhere. On my trailer, on my stuff, on my car, everywhere. From this side, there, oh my god, how many of them? Millions. Wow. Let's see how it's gonna work. My inflated tire. That's it. Let's go. It's working. Working. So, as I said before, I've never been there. Where should I go? I think I will go to that direction, where no access to people and should be some fish. Right there. Yeah. By the rock. Okay, let's move in. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna get to that destination sooner or later. So it's already past almost 2 hours, not even one bite. Something wrong with this lake. Not even one bite. Usually in 2 hours I'm getting like at least dozen bluegills, maybe one bass, couple crappies. None. Not even by one bite. Different setting, try different setting. Even you can see it's a lure. Different lures. Worms, night crawlers, nothing. Bottom, I saw on the bottom, use a bobber, not even one bite. It's something wrong with this lake. But it's clean, I can see a turtle. I saw a couple beavers. None. Water looks like clean, but even my barometer says today is supposed to be great fishing. No fishing at all. Oh well, probably 1 more hour and I'm going home. I have a bite. One fish of the day. First one, I can't believe it. I was aiming for that place for 15 minutes and finally I caught this a little small one. So let it go. Let it go. I have another one from same place. So I assume it's the same fish. Well, let it go. Another small one. Let it go. This is Monroe power plant. So no luck today. I consider catch nothing. 3 small bluegills, and I release it. No, nothing good today. So 0 review for this lake. All right, getting closer to my lunch. Kayak is right there. And I'm done for today. All right, time for dinner, and today is sliders. Not those kind of sliders you buy from White Castle, no, real one. So let's see whole process what I'm going to do. Yeah. Weber, roasted garlic and herbs, pepper, and salt when it's gonna be close to ready. Alright, that's hot enough. Hot enough. Oh yeah. Time to rotate them. All right. Now it's time to flip over. Now time for buns and bacon. Bacon. I hope it's done. And yep. Ooh, hot. Oops. Okay, dinner is served. What do you say, guys? Let's eat it. Alright. Cheers, my friends. If you like my video, if you like my sliders, please subscribe. No words. No words to describe it. Heaven. river goes to Lake Erie. There, Lake Erie. There are campsites, campgrounds, nice sandy beach. Water kinda cool at this moment. But what I don't like is in the distance, if you can see, it's a nuclear plant. Don't like